Hello, good evening. Welcome to RF Academy. This is Ranjan sir here. Today I am here to announce a great session for all of you. I have been receiving request कि sir test and discussion करवा कि prelims में preparation हवा पाई question answer discussion गोटे regular basis रे हवा दरकार. तो for you all Monday ठारू आमे गोटे regular basis रे test and discussion launch करिया को जाउछु जो थरे कि मु सब प्रकार रो GS paper discussion करिबी. All of the GS papers or the GS questions will be discussed here. सब subject रो current affairs हो कि तमरो बाकी history geography polity जहाँ भी रहला discussions रहइबो मो सहित. My team will also be there. है ता भितरे Seema madam is there, Preeti is there. So my team will also be there and they will help you out with different subjects. I'll be also helping you out with the history, current affairs and all. So if you are interested to watch this test and discussion, it will be completely live, completely free on YouTube. Subscribe our channel and stay updated on the information. Thank you everyone.